Hello guys, we are about to start a session on extension methods in C Sharp. So what are extension methods actually are? They are introduced in C Sharp 3.0 version. They help us to add a new method into an existing class without modifying the existing class at all. They are static in nature, but they are called as if they were an instance method. Let's move to the next slide. When to use the extension method? So guys, there might be situation when we don't want to change the original source of code and at the same time we needed to provide some new functionality from it. So in those situations, extension method will be very useful. Also, extension methods will ensure client don't have to create the object of any new class in order to fetch the new functionality. Let's move to the practical now. I am using Visual Studio to demonstrate this example. Let's consider this program.cs as the client. This is the entry point of this application. There is one class oldprice.cs. There is another class called discountedprice.cs. Let's move to the old price. This class is having a method which takes price and quantity and returns the cost, that is price into quantity. So guys, suppose a client like this used to get its price by multiplying price with quantity. Now the requirement is he wants to give some default discount on all products, but he wants that new method should be part of this old price.cs class. But here, as a developer, we don't want to change the original source of code since this is a legacy application. Okay, so guys, so in this situation, we can use the extension method. What we will do? We will create a new class called discounted.cs. This is a static class having a static method. So guys, this method has three parameters: price, quantity as same as the old one, and it is having a new parameter called discount, which will apply a direct discount on all product. And what we have done, we have passed a reference to the old price.cs class into this method. So guys, uh, let's move to the program.cs. So now, whenever client creates the object of old price.cs, he will found our new method in it, although it is there in discounted price.cs. So guys, let's run this application, and you can see there is old price.cs, and we have used this method old cost, and again uh, we can fetch this new.cs into the same method. Let's do the F5. So it is taking some time, I guess. So you can see the debugger comes to old price to first calculate the old code. Now you can see the same object of old class reaches there to the new cost method, and you can check the console. Like, we for the old one we have sent 6 into 3, it becomes 18, and for the new one 6 into 3 18, and minus 2 that is the discount, so the result is 16. So guys, this is the end of the session. uh, Thanks for joining this session. Goodbye.